Innovate from concept to reality with the Creo Mechanism Design Extension. In the genesis of innovation lies the concept development phase, where ideas take shape and potential is born. In the dynamic realm of mechanical engineering, connections are key. Every linkage, every pivot, every interaction holds the potential for innovation. Witness the power of rapid prototyping with dynamic simulations. The Mechanism Design Extension enables designers to visualize their concepts in motion, fostering deeper insights and informed decision-making. From automotive to aerospace, from consumer electronics to industrial machinery, companies around the globe trust Creo Parametric to drive innovation and stay ahead of the competition. Elevate your concept development process with the Mechanism Design Extension. Embrace the power of rapid iteration and unlock the full potential of your innovative vision. Creo Mechanism Design Extension, where concepts evolve into realities.